I know I said my last box was the last box for 2023, but I got another one, so let's see what's in it. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea and I like unboxings and clothing subscriptions and shopping hauls, and I like to do try-ons for you. And yeah, if you like that kind of content, then I hope you will hit that subscribe button so that we can hang out for the long haul, and hit the notification bell so that you always know when I post a new fun fashion adventure. And yeah, let's see. Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service. They send you 5 items that gets curated by a stylist. They do a preview of 10 items that you can choose your 5 from. If you don't like 5, then your stylist will pick the last ones for you. It's a $20 styling fee. Some people still have the Style Pass. You get 3 days to try it on, but if you do need more time, then you can extend it. So the last time I was checking out, they asked me if I wanted a quick fix, and I was like, sure, why not? And I said that I wanted it delivered January 2nd, which is a few days from now, and it arrived today. Today is December 30th. So this is in fact going to be my last fix for 2023. And I did choose 3 items in my preview. All right, ooh, we got some pretty colors there. Okay, there should be, yep, I chose some jewelry, so I knew that was in there. They send you a return envelope and give you a price list. I save that for the end so I can just react to the clothes and not get swayed by the price. And I'm just going to take a super quick peek, and Marcia is not my stylist. Okay, not happy about that. Let's let's undo the bundle. So Stitch Fix also has Freestyle, which is, it's just a store online, and supposedly they curate what they show you according to what you have indicated you like. Okay, first up, I have a gray sweater, which is by Market and Spruce. Emma Novelty Stitch Chunky Crewneck Sweater in dark gray. I'm not a huge fan of gray, but if I was going to do gray, this is the dark charcoal is what I would do. And this is 68% acrylic, 31 polyester, 1% spandex, and it feels itchy. So that is unlikely I'm going to keep that. And then we have, this is something I chose in the preview. It is a blue cardigan by Faith and Zoe, Codie long sleeve open front cardigan. And it's, I don't know if I would call that a navy. I would call that a dark blue. It's got some, what would you call that? Lacy knitting. And then it's just it's got like a ribbed around the front and bottom. It's a nice weight. I like the color. I do not have a cardigan that color. VERO MODA Luna Rib Beanie in purple. I don't wear hats. Ever. It wreaks havoc with my hair, so that's a no. And then we've got some corduroys. Can Genie high-rise corduroy straight jean. I may have chosen these from my preview too. Yeah, they're a wide wale, and it looks like a straight leg, and the jean style. Oh, and let's look at these earrings. So these are by Vince Camuto. It says they're clip earrings. I must not have noticed that. They are super pretty. It's a like a long drop. Yeah, I don't wear clip earrings. I just must have missed that because my ears are pierced. Wow, we are not doing great with this stitch, are we? That's what happens when it's not Marsha. Yeah, I'm trying to see, because sometimes they'll do clip earrings that, you know, there's a post that will go in your ear, but no, these are just regular clip earrings. So, yeah, pretty, but not for me. I have been fighting a cold for the last week. We are on day 8. It feels like it's mostly gone, but your style delivered. Hello, Andrea. Welcome back. I'm delighted to be your stylist for this fix. I see you've selected some fabulous items in your fix preview, and I'm excited to see how you'll pair them with the pieces I've chosen for you. I'm thrilled to see you've selected the navy cardigan and the high-rise corduroy straight jeans from Can. These are not jeans. These are corduroy. I wonder if I realized that. And she says high-rise corduroy. Anyway, sorry. Both of these pieces are versatile and can be paired together for a cozy chic look. Add the silver berry jewelry earrings for a touch of elegance. While I couldn't find a black straight leg jean for this fix, I did include a dark gray market and spruce sweater. Because yeah, that's the same thing. Dark straight leg jeans. That's... Can you tell I'm not happy that I didn't get Marsha? Its novelty stitch and chunky crewneck design add a unique touch that I think you'll love. Pair this sweater with your new Can jeans for a stylish, comfortable outfit. For those chillier days, top off the look with purple VERO MODA beanie. Best, Julie. Okay. How are you guys doing? Do you have plans for New Year's Eve? By the time you see this, New Year's Eve will be well past, but let me know if you did something fun. My husband's gonna make his famous short ribs and we're staying home, and my son is here, so we're gonna spend it with him. Super excited about that. Very excited to have him here with us right now. And yeah, that's what's going on. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I so appreciate it. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will leave my link below so that you can give them a try. That'll give you $25 off your first fix, so you won't have to pay the styling fee, and if you purchase anything, you can apply that $25 to it. So I hope you'll use that link. And if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up, the like, and leave me a comment. Yeah, I'll show you my outfit of the day, and then we will try these clothes on. Today I am wearing coated denim by Cut From The Cloth. It's in this like eggplant color. I got this from Eve a few years ago. Really like them. They're very stretchy, a skinny jean, and they are tucked into, I can't remember who makes these booties, but some little black booties. And then the top, I'm pretty sure I got this from Stitch Fix. It is by Winter, and it has got this fun cutout design, which I'm sure you've already noticed. So that's what I'm wearing today. Well, let's try on some clothes. Okay, first up we have the sweater, and it is itchy. It's really itchy around the neck. It's got, I'm trying to see if you can see it. It's got like this kind of design that is nice, but it's really hard to see because of the color. It's a little, little loose, good length of the arms. I was not interested in a sweater this color. I actually asked for jewel tones or something with, an interesting detail. This is none of the things that I asked for. So, and the acrylic is itchy, so this is what it looks like. And I can't wait to take it off. Could we get any more old lady of an outfit? And to be honest, I'm 63. I guess I am an old lady. I just don't like dressing like one. All right, so let's talk about this cardigan. It has got this, see if you can, yeah, that kind of lacy pattern, which I don't like it. First of all, it's gonna make it, you know, airy, so it won't be as warm. I feel like the way the ribbing goes down the front and around the side, around the bottom, I feel like that kind of gives it an old lady shape. So I am not feeling this cardigan. I like the color, the material's nice. But yeah, I don't like the shape, and I don't like those holes. And I paired it just with a black cami because I thought those colors would go well together. I am going to go ahead and take it off though, so we can talk about these pants. So they are super high-waisted. My belly button is like here, so it's like 3 fingers above my belly button. It is, you know, corduroy usually has some stiffness, some structure to it, and these are very relaxed, and I don't think it gives me a flattering look. And that's from the side, that's from the back. Yes, I don't feel like this is a really particularly flattering look. So those are the pants. Let me know what you think of them. And now it's time for prices and a recap. What can I say? I was not happy with that fix, and I am just wondering why they didn't give me to Marsha. She may be on vacation, you know, it's the holidays. I hope that that's it. So, and to be fair, 3 of these things I picked from my preview. First up, we have the Genie high-rise corduroy straight leg by Can. These were $68. And that's, you know, reasonable price, but they just were not flattering on me. And then you win some, you lose some. VERO MODA Luna Rib Beanie is $32. I did not try this on for you because I don't wear hats, and I absolutely knew I wasn't going to keep it and didn't want to mess my hair up any more than it was already going to get messed up from the try-on. The Faith and Zoe, things are falling. Faith and Zoe Codie long sleeve open front cardigan is $74, and that's pretty pricey. And I didn't like the shape, and I didn't like that laciness. And I also don't like the way that, like this stripe underneath. I just think it's a weird look. So that's a no. And let's see, the Pave linear clip earring, $38. If these had been, you know, for pierced ears, I would have probably kept these because I think they're cute, but I can't wear clip earrings, or don't want to wear clip earrings. They look very uncomfortable. I've had pierced ears since I was a kid. And then last we have the Market and Zoe and the Novelty Stitch, whatever, $58. And this was so itchy. Yeah, I don't like the color. So, stylist pick subtotal was $270. If you buy all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount, which would have taken off $67.50, bringing the order total to $202.50. I am going to be sending everything back, and because I have the style pass, that's okay. I did not have to pay for this fix. The style pass is good for fixes for a year. But I have heard they're going to be phasing that out or not offering it anymore, I think, and not offering it to people who, I guess, don't buy enough. That's what I've heard, but I don't know if that's the official line. Okay, what did you think of this fix? I will let them know that I want Marsha back. Anytime that they've given me not Marsha, it has not gone well. So, all right. And next up, I have a drape fit coming, and I thought I had to order them because after the first one, they never sent another one until I asked for one. So I just figured, oh, it's on demand, even though I said I would, you know, wanted them, I think monthly at the time that I signed up. First 2 were not good at all. So Nancy Ann says you need to give each box at least 3 tries, so this will be the 3rd try. It took a really long time from when they said they were sending it to them actually sending it. I want to say it took like a month. Yeah. So yeah, at least for like 3 to 4 weeks. So we'll see what comes in that. And hopefully 2024 will be a year of fabulous fashion finds. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.